Trey Miller with Global Project Management, and I'm making a quick video today just to show you something that we as schedulers do all day, every day. Okay, so I want to add an activity. Okay, so when adding an activity, there's a few considerations. One is what type of activity, what is the duration, and what is its purpose. So let's start with the purpose. Is this activity something that takes time? For instance, like form and pour slab, that takes 9 work days. Or is this a milestone, like begin construction or construction complete or, project complete. So in that case, those would be milestones. Or is it an activity that spans a group of other activities that fall underneath it? The type of activity that we use for that scenario would be a level of effort activity. AKA a hammock activity. Some of you guys may have heard that term. So I'm ready to add an activity. A couple considerations though when adding the activity. Let's start with which phase, which group, which area does this activity reside? So I'm going to say this is in the foundation area. So I click on foundation, and then from the command bar, I can hit this add button at the top. You can also hit the insert button on your keyboard. All right. So A1230 pops up because that's the next available number in the sequence. And if I'd like, I can go ahead and renumber it. So I'm thinking that I would like it to appear right behind install underground water lines. So I'm going to give it a number like A1095. And when I do that, based on the fact that everything is sorted by activity ID, you can see my new activity. So it's now time to name it. So few things to consider when naming an activity. My number one thing is we want to use an action word. So use a verb. So if you look at the preceding activity, it's not linked yet, but the activity listed above it, install underground water lines. Above that is excavate north site, begin site prep. So I'm going to go ahead and enter an activity name, install underground electric conduit, okay? And then enter a duration. And I'm going to say that this activity is 6 work days. All right, so now I have the activity entered. This is a task-dependent activity, means it has a positive duration, takes time to complete. And now I'm just ready to build the logic ties. So I'll just do it very quickly. If I wanted to link this one, then this one, then this one, and I just held the control button and click, click, clicked, I can right click and hit link activities and put those 3 and finish to start relationships. Thank you for watching.